Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about DAAD scholarship. International students can apply to numerous organizations for a scholarship, for example to the DAAD, to party-related foundation or business-affiliated institutions. You can find information on the various types of scholarships in the DAAD scholarship database along with suitable offers. Database on admission requirements, international programs, find your study program. Database on admission requirements, we will check these links one by one. International programs and find your study program. Database on admission requirements, allow international students to check whether they meet the requirements for the degree program of their choice in Germany. So you will check your nationality here, in which country you gained your most recent qualification. It means that where you have completed, if you are applying for doctor's degree, PhD, then where you have completed your master's degree. Based on that, you will check these requirements. Simulation program in Germany 2023-24 programs available. Select the course here, for example doctoral, English, field engineering, and then search. 15 results for your criteria, so you can apply for these programs for your PhD on DAAD scholarship. If you want to search for master's program, then you need to select your master's degree. Then you can select whether German only, Chinese, English only, German and English. For example, English only, and then select your subject here. Medicine, engineering, art, mathematics, engineering, search. So you can see here there are 355 results for your criteria, and then you can click here and then submit your application. For example, we click here, so they describe about the degree, master's degree in English. All courses are offered in English, full-time. Program duration is 4 semesters. And they have also mentioned the application deadline for each. The application deadline for next semester is 1 March of same year. So it will be the same deadline for every year. Tuition fee per semester none, because if you are applying for DAAD scholarship, then you will be on scholarship. That's how you can search your program. And here we can also see that, would you like to study and carry on research or learn German in Germany? Learn German in Germany, and looking for funding. So if you want to learn German, then you can check here as well. There are every year German academic exchange service supports well over 1 lakh German and international student researchers around the globe, making world largest funding organization of its kind, aimed at graduate doctoral students process. So you can read about that here, and we can also download a flyer listing of our most important scholarship program. Welcome to DAAD scholarship. Our program are aimed bachelor degree students, master, doctoral, university teachers, and senior scientists. Study scholarship, master's studies for all academic disciplines. So you can check about different scholarships here. Study scholarship, postgraduate study for artistic disciplines and architecture. University summer courses in German for foreign student and graduate. There are different kinds of scholarship, guys. So you can apply for this scholarship. Learning German in Germany. University winter courses in Germany for foreign students and graduates. Researching in Germany as part of doctoral study program in the home country. Research grants, short-term grants. So this, who can apply? Young academic and sensitive doctoral candidate. What can be funded? A research project or course of continuing education at university or research institution in Germany in coordination with academic supervisor in Germany. Duration will be 1 to 6 months. Scholarship benefits will be €861 per month for graduate and €1,200 monthly for doctoral candidate and postdocs. Payment towards insurance cover, travel and so applicable. There are a lot of benefits and there are different kinds of scholarship on which you can apply. You can read about this scholarship: research stays for university academic and statistics, short research stays in Germany. They have mentioned about each scholarship, who can apply, what can be funded, duration of the funding, scholarship benefits. So you can read about that. Then how long does the application procedure take? Example, you are applying from United States for the program study scholarship master's studies for all academic disciplines. July, you can apply online. 4 November application deadline. Your application will now be reviewed by DAAD. December, DAAD will confirm that it has received your application and inform whether your application is complete or under further review. Selection meeting takes place at DAAD original office in New York. The selection committee decision on funding based on application documents. April, you will receive a letter of award. August, you will travel to Germany and take part in the German language courses. October, you will receive your first scholarship payment. That invites you to take part in the organization seminar for newly arrived scholarship holders in Bonn. Your studies in Germany begin. If you are applying from Pakistan for program research grant doctoral program, July you can apply online. 31 August is deadline. Your application now be reviewed. October, DAAD will confirm it has been reviewed. November, you will receive a personal interview. The DAAD in Islamabad. The selection committee consisting of German and Pakistan research will decide funding. Mid-April, you will receive a letter of reward. June, you will travel to Germany to take part in German language courses. DAAD will invite you to take part in orientation seminar for newly arrived scholarship holder in Bonn. You will receive first scholarship payment. Your doctoral studies in German begins. So my DAAD scholarship, how to apply? It takes 5 steps to apply. For example, first step will be get an overview here, then get advice from your local DAAD office, then find about the program and offer. You can find the program on which you want to apply, put together your application documents, and if you have question about the documents or application procedure, take a look at frequently asked questions, submit online application directly here, and then they will review the application and then update you regarding the results. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly guys share, like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.